So maybe it's not ju. What else could it be? What's this one? Okay, what's this one? What's this one? B-P-M-F-O. Does that work? Yeah. So, come on, figure this one out. A lot of understanding has to come from you. We have the G sound, but the name of the letter, again, B, C, D. Well, we have E as well, but G, yeah, it's an E there. This is something where if you took the time to think about it, you could figure this out yourself. Right? There are a lot of places in language where if you take the time to think about it, you can find an answer. It's like with basketball. Who decided that the best way to throw the ball is, with your fingers? Or if you use two hands, who decided where your hand should be? Why can't I hold the ball like this? Who decided that? Was there like a professor of basketball who wrote a book? Or did people play? And when they played, they learned how it works. It's the physics. If you want to throw the ball well, then putting your hands in front of the ball doesn't work, right? If you use one hand, then there's a certain way that works better, and other ways don't, right? It's the same with anything. A lot of times, if you think about it, you can learn a lot on your own. So, let's keep going. What's this one?
H.
Again?
H.
Okay, we have a problem there. Uh-huh.
J.
Okay, again?
J.
You guys aren't saying anything. ETL.
J.
Okay.
K.
Okay.
L.
Again?
L.
That's good. Okay.
M.
Again?
M.
Okay.
N.
Again?
M.
Okay. A lot of you are doing it. There's still an N in there somewhere. Okay. Those are often one of the biggest problems, the M and the N. And one of the easiest ways to show you this is for me to ask you all to say one little sentence. So, my name is Steph, I'm from Canada, I'm not American. All right, that's all you need to know about me. So, how about you guys? I just need a note paper here. So, what's your name? I'll get you to say the whole sentence, okay? So, my name is. My name is. 可以用中文的名字可以。I'll come back. Okay, what's your name?
My name is.
Okay. Could you spell that? Can you spell that? 可以听吗？ 可以听你的名字。 Okay. So, this letter here again, what is this? yeah, that one we'll have to work on. Your M is good. Okay, what's your name? Okay, could you spell that? Okay. Ja. Okay, say J-A. Okay, T-A-N. Okay, good.
My name is Yuan.
Okay, good. Could you spell that one?
Y-O-N-P-O-C-H-U.
Okay, C-H-U. Okay, good. What's your name, dear? Okay, can you spell that? You mean to keeping them up? T-O-N. Lee. Hong Lee. Okay. Okay. What's your name here?
My name is Xu Jiaxue.
Okay. Could you spell that?
It's U-J-I-A.
It's U-A-N. N. Okay.
My name is Erica.
Okay. Can you spell that for me?
Erica.
Spell it. Okay. Good.
My name is Simon.
Okay. Can you spell that for me?
S-I-N-M-O-N.
Okay. Good. Okay. You picked that name because it's easy to spell, right? Okay. Okay, so, Becky, what's your name, dear? Okay, can you spell that for me? B-A-R-L-O. L. Okay, so, typically, in a class like this, we have, 9 people? Usually I have maybe 3 who can make their M correctly. But you guys are all pretty good. There's only 2 people who have to watch that M. So this is pretty good for a class like this. But there are some other problems. Let me show you first what I mean by a problem. There's the English ABC, and then there's the Taiwan English ABC, right? The Taiwan ABC sounds like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Z, K, L, N, N, O, P, right? This is the habit a lot of people have with these English letters. The problem is, if you don't say the letters right, then your pronunciation usually has a problem. I'll use the F as an example. There are a lot of people who say F, right? 有听过吗？台湾人说 F, right? It sounds a little bit like FU, but we'll go there. So, here's the problem. My name is Steph. But in Taiwan, it becomes Stefu. Because people don't say the letter right. This sound here, this part, is the same as the name of this letter. So if you say Fu instead of F, you can't say my name, right? Or if you have a problem with L, if you say Lo instead, then you're going to have a lot of trouble with, for example, I'm going to use that word. How about bell? So everybody say this word. Okay, you can see where this could be a problem because we do have a word, bellow. This is a word. Yell, yellow. Those are both words, right? So, fell, fellow. Those are also both words. There are a lot of words that stop with this letter, with this sound. So if you have trouble saying the letter right, it will change your pronunciation. But because you're used to saying the letter that way, it's like the garbage truck song. You always say it that way, so it sounds right. If you know it's wrong, you can fix it. But if you think it's right, you're not going to try to fix it, right? 对不对？你了解我的意思吗？ Okay, so there are some of these that are easy to work on. Did we do the vowels when you were here?
Very sure.
Yeah, no, I mean, did we do the vowels? Did we talk about the moving when you were here? We talked about the hard and soft. Okay, well, how about the vowels then? Because that's an important part. This is also an issue. Everybody say this word? Yeah, that's exactly the problem. Because even if you make the M sound right, this is not nem. Nem is a different word. Nem is spelled this way. So, how does this sound different from this one? Well, remember the question thing? Let's try some others, and then maybe I can get you guys to ask.